Okay, जब तक आप लोग नहीं शोर मचाओगे, we'll not be moving ahead. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, fasten your seat belts because tonight is not just a finale. Tonight is history in the making. So before we begin, I would like to request Mr. Rajshekhar Malannavar, Mr. D.T. Malannavar sir and Mrs. Shivleela Malannavar ma'am to please come on the dais and light the lamps. In the end, yeah, we'll be having one Mr. and one Miss North Karnataka Belgavi 2026. How many people are excited? There's no energy in the crowd. Why? Can I hear a huge round of applause for you people, those who are on time today? Yes, so I want a full energy packed audience tonight because if y'all are not in energy, we can't see the winner's energy then. So the finalists who are here, we can't see their energy if y'all won't be having the energy. Yes, so can I hear a huge round of applause for all the finalists of Mr. and Miss North Karnataka? Yes, thank you so much to everyone. After a week of passion, perseverance, power walks and picture perfect poses, after countless dreams walked, we are here to witness the grand finale of Mr. and Miss North Karnataka 2026. And this is your host for today's evening, Anchor Nidhi Heda, who will be hosting you all tonight. I hope everyone's excited and see you in a bit. Thank you. And Shubham, can we have a huge round of applause for Nehal and Shubham, everyone? Mr. Nehal Patil. He is a model, an actor and an international pageant title holder. Rubaru Mr. Grand International India 2022. Please give it up for Mr. Nehal Patil, everyone. And the next judge is Mr. Shubham Kotambikar. He is a celebrated actor, model, fitness trainer and an entrepreneur. A true powerhouse of talent and discipline. Mr. Runway Model Universal 2025 winner. Rubaru Mr. India Runway Universe 2025 Best Runway Model title holder. Put your hands together for Mr. Shubham Kotambikar, everyone. Thank you so much, both of you. I request you to please take your seats. Huge round of applause for our judges. Can I hear a huge round of applause for all the judges, please? And with them, we have Mr. Rajshekhar Malannavar. opportunities. He is the founder of RM Production House, the director of Glamify Modeling Studio, and a proud innovator of Mr. and Miss North Karnataka 2026. Let's give a huge round of applause for Mr. Rajshekhar Malanavar, everyone. With years of hands-on experience across fashion, photography, and talent development, he has built more than just brands. He has created credible professional platforms that shape confidence, discipline, and excellence. His work reflects a deep commitment to grooming raw potential into industry-ready talent. Driven by a powerful vision, Mr. Rajshekhar is on a mission to create something very impactful, lasting, and transformative for the people of Belgaum. Bridging local talent with national level exposure and opportunity through Glamify and RM Production House, he is redefining fashion standards, empowering aspiring models, and positioning Belgaum as a rising hub of creativity, professionalism, and fashion excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not just a name, this is a vision, a movement, and a legacy in making. Once again, can I hear a huge round of applause for Mr. Rajshekhar Malanavar, everyone? Thank you so much. Of today's event, Miss Kushi Tikare. Let's give a huge round of applause for Miss Kushi Tikare, everyone. The wait is all over. We all are here to witness the grand finale of Mr. and Miss North Karnataka 2026. So here we go with the first round, that is girls traditional. So let's give a huge round of applause for all the gorgeous girls over here of Mr. and Miss North Karnataka 2026. Let's give a huge round of applause for all the gorgeous girls here.
फॉलो घ्यायला लागणार तुम्हाला
Give me a big
Did you all enjoy the beautiful and the gorgeous ramp the girls did? Yes? Can I have a huge round of applause for all the gorgeous girls over here? Yes, thank you so much. Now, we will be having the ramp traditional of the boys. So let's give a huge round of applause for all the handsome boys over here. Over here. Come on, everyone. want to know अगर आप लोग घर से खाना खा के आए हो या नहीं. थोड़ी तो एनर्जी होगी because I can see that you all have participants from your house also, yes? So can I hear from you guys? Are you all enjoying it? Okay. So before we begin with the next round, I would like to call Mr. Rajshekhar Malanavar on the stage, please. So I would like to, it gives me an immense pleasure to introduce to you all Miss Mahi Thakur. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to welcome beauty with brains, grace with leadership and confidence with purpose. She is a celebrated pageant personality and a rising force in the fashion industry. Miss Goa, third runner-up 2025. Director, Glamify Modeling Supermodel Goa, launching very soon. Please make some noise for Mahi Thakur. Can I hear a huge round of applause for Miss Mahi Thakur, everyone? With first-hand experience in competitive pageantry, commanding stage presence and a professional grooming, she brings not just a crown but credible industry insight to the platform. As a core member of Glamify team, Mahi has been deeply involved behind the scenes, shaping, supporting and strengthening the vision of Mr. and Miss North Karnataka 2026. Her dedication, sharp eye for detail and unwearying commitment have played a powerful role in building this prestigious platform. Ladies and gentlemen, she does not shine under the spotlight, she helps create it. I now request Mr. Rajshekhar Malanavar to please felicitate our today's judge. Come on everyone, let's give a huge round of applause for Ms. Mahi Thakur. Next up, we have Kushi Tikare. Please welcome the name. Now put your hands together for Kushi Tikare. With rich pageant experience and an elegant personality to the judging panel, making her a true inspiration for every aspiring model here today. Adding immense value to this platform, Kushi was also an integral part of the audition panel. With her keen eye, industry knowledge and understanding of potential played a key role in selecting the finest finalists of Mr. and Miss North Karnataka 2026. She recognizes the future stars. A big round of applause for Miss Kushi Tikare, everyone. Now I request Raj to please felicitate Kushi. Thank you so much, Miss Kushi. Miss Eva Joshua. Ladies and gentlemen, Joshua, starting her modeling journey at the age of just 15 years, Eva has risen with passion, discipline and determination. The stage with effortless elegance, she showcases her versatility in both in front of the camera and under the spotlight. Beyond fashion, she continues to pursue her love for understanding human mindset as a psychological student, making her journey truly inspiring for young women everywhere. With a powerful digital presence, authenticate influence and a commitment of self-growth, Eva Joshua represents the modern face of fashion where beauty meets purpose. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Miss Eva Joshua. Now we have Netu. Please give it a for Nehal Patil, a true example of hard work, discipline and passion. Nehal has carved his journey with grace and perseverance. His remarkable victory at Rubaru Mr. Grand International India India 2022 is a testament of his commitment to the craft and his unwavering self-belief. Representing India at the global stage, he went on to compete at Mr. Grand International 2022 in Trinidad and Tobago, carrying the nation's pride with confidence, elegance and dignity. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the man who does not just wear a crown, he represents the spirit behind it. Put your hands together for Nehal Patil, everyone. Thank you so much, Nehal. And the last judge for today's evening, Shubham Kotambikar. He is a celebrated actor, model, fitness trainer and an entrepreneur. A true powerhouse of talent and discipline. Mr. Runway Model Universe 2025 winner. Rubaru Mr. India Runway Universe 2025 Best Runway Model title holder. Put your hands together for Mr. Shubham Kotambikar. A proud Mr. Goa winner, his journey is marked by excellence across nation and platform. From best physique to best model figure, best in cultural wear to best in swimwear, he has proven his versatility, confidence and unmatched stage performance time and again. Own achievement that set new benchmarks in fitness, dedication and discipline within the industry. Let's give a huge round of applause for Mr. Shubham Kotambikar, everyone. Thank you so much. This incredible event would not be possible without the help of our proud sponsors. I would like to call on stage Mrs. Jyoti Kachi, winner of Bollywood Mrs. India 2023. Can I request ma'am to please come on the dais? Your presence inspires many aspiring talents. Let's give it up for Mrs. Jyoti Kachi, everyone. Can I have a huge round of applause for Mrs. Jyoti Kachi? Value to this journey. Whistling Woods, Dandeli. Mrs. Sanyukta Zadav and Mrs. Smita Zadav, who are graciously offering complimentary stay for possible if we would not have the audition. So we had the auditions at Insomnia Club. So we have with us Mr. Ankit. I request Mr. Ankit to please come on the dais, who are our auditions partner. So let's give it up for Mr. Ankit, everyone. Thank you so much, sir, for providing your beautiful club for the auditions. Is choreographed. Get ready to welcome a man who commands the stage with power, presence and perfection. He is a celebrity. Behind every powerful walk, every confident turn and every stage presence, this is a visionary who shapes it all. He is a renowned fashion choreographer and a runway grooming and stage presence expert. Put your hands together for Mr. Shadab Khan, everyone. I request Mr. Shadab Khan to please come on the dais. our photography and visual team who are freezing these beautiful moments forever. Official photographers Sahil Melge and Shubhan JPG. Official cinematographers Vicky and Adarsh PK. Your beautiful smiles are captured by these amazing photographers. So let's give a huge round of applause for this amazing team. Yes, come on. Let's hear for them, please. Official cinematographers Vicky and Adarsh PK. Can I request Vicky to come on everyone, please give a huge round of applause for the man behind this amazing choreography y'all are. And the backstage manager Arbaz, Mr. Arbaz. Official videographer Suhas. Official cinematographer Vicky. Sponsors, team, everything goes well. But if we don't have an idea of this beautiful event, there is nothing else. So, have you all like anytime expected that we'll be having Mr. and Miss North Karnataka? Yes or no? यहाँ पे कितने लोग बाहर से हैं? Who is from not from Belgaum? Yes, can I see like hands up in the air? So were you all expecting Mr. and Miss North Karnataka anytime happening? So yes, the idea, the man behind this beautiful magic is none other than Mr. Rajshekhar Mallanavar. So can I hear it for Mr. Rajshekhar Mallanavar, everyone? The most calm, composed man ever seen. This type of events usually should take place, and now we can expect more of it coming ahead, Raj. So yes, we are hoping that more and more events such happening. Yes, so come on everyone, once again, huge round of applause for Mr. Rajshekhar Mallanavar. Thank you so much.
So I thank all the people who have come to see this fashion show. So it was the vision to build something in modeling agency like thing in Belgaum. So my voice is very bad because of the choreography thing, fighting with the models to set up this stage for all you guys. And I would like to thank Neeli Heda for hosting this event. And I would like to thank all my sponsors who have supported me so long. I thank all my participants. So thank you guys. Thank you so much.
So moving ahead, now we'll be having the Western round of girls. Are you all excited? No, there's so low energy in the crowd over here. So I was just seeing when please cheer them. I don't want them to go disappointed. So can I hear for all the models over here? Come on everyone. यार किसी की आवाज ही नहीं निकल रही है. मेहनत वो कर रहे हैं, उनकी आवाज चली गई, but आप लोगों को क्या हो गया है? Come on everyone, make some noise for all the models over here. Come on. Yes, that's the energy I want when the models are walking on the ramp. So let's begin with the Western Ramp. Now, let's get ready to witness this beautiful girls. Come on, let's give it up for all the beautiful girls over here. Come on, make some noise for the gorgeous girls.
And if you hear this song, like go on your back, on your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Did you please turn on the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Your pussy fat inna your shot.
Oh, you dealing with the boss?
Make you come first, coulda never take a loss. Yeah. Like a ball pump up the pussy fast. Skin out the pussy for me fuck it. Girl, you make it cocky brad. Original girl, some of them a dinner cough.
And if you hear this song, like go on your back, on your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Did you please turn on the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Caribbean girl, me know for tick, me know for top. Yeah, man, I watch my body like say they know watch how much. Yeah, anything you say, them girl, let do it like it's cat. I make my own money like the girls in movie trap. Classy, real bad girl, we get nasty. I do whatever I want, just because I'm bossy. Yes, I'm the one in charge. Never get my thumbs and him still falling in love. Yes, I know anybody can touch this. Baby, I am not a hoe. Rice and peas, body hotter than the love. I feel bigger taste anyway, you see my pass.
And if you hear this song, like go on your back, go on your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Did you please turn on the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. I'm not so scared, number one in command. I came just to kill me, I'm too militant. They won't figure eight, but I don't need a man. They love how me wine, and it's true religion.
Your pussy fat inna your shot.
Oh, you dealing with the boss?
Make you come first, coulda never take a loss. Yeah. Like a ball pump up the pussy fast. Skin out the pussy for me fuck it. Girl, you make it cocky brad. Original girl, some of them a dinner cough.
And if you hear this song, like go on your back, go on your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Did you please turn on the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Caribbean girl, me know for tick, me know for top. Yeah, man, I watch my body like say they know watch how much. Yeah, anything you say, them girl, let do it like it's cat. I make my own money like the girls in movie trap. Classy, real bad girl, we get nasty. I do whatever I want, just because I'm bossy. Yes, I'm the one in charge. Never get my thumbs and him still falling in love. Yes, I know anybody can touch this. Baby, I am not a hoe. Rice and peas, body hotter than the love. I feel bigger taste anyway, you see my pass.
And if you hear this song, like go on your back, go on your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Did you please turn on the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. I'm not so scared, number one in command. I came just to kill me, I'm too militant. They won't figure eight, but I don't need a man. They love how me wine, and it's true religion.
'Cause you make me feel good. So gorgeous. 'Cause you make me feel good. Nobody understands you. There ain't nothing better. Every man you put your hands on, you make me feel so goddamn handsome. And I feel so whenever you're around. I feel so, feel 10 feet up and down. So good, so good, so good, so good. We are love, we are free, like renegades, like James Dean. Beat the drum, sing off key. You set me free. You set me free. Oh.
beautiful models over here, and I hope everyone's enjoying. Yes? एक बार आपके लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Come on, everyone.
So we know who the winner is. Let's speak loud because yes, we all know the winner. And let's go for first.
Proud title sponsor, Surya Developers, proudly owned by Mr. Rahul Khadbavi. Thank you so much for believing in dreams and building opportunities beyond structure.
We have Amol. Let's check both of them. How they look.
I, re-
Yeah, she has.
I request Mr. Rahul Khadbavi to please come on the dais.
The white is actually.
Yes, come on everyone, let's give it up for Mr. Rahul sir.
I'll throw number 8 to them. Number 8 is. This guy. This guy is he has a good expression. Yeah. He has the look. They were so good in traditional. His outfit and the best now. His expressions and his very best. Okay. Now, first, second runner. They consider number 6. Yeah. I mean, they want number 6. We like him also. Alright. Now, personality. 11. Or still 11.
I would like to thank our next sponsor, Mr. Aman Mujawar Roadways and Maza Petrol Pump. Thank you so much for your constant support. I request Mr. Aman to please come on the dais.
Which guy? Not good. Okay. Okay, then let's keep a flop. Yeah, let's do that. 6 on 1? Yeah. 6 for 1. 6 for 1. Second is 8. Okay, for personality, we have this guy.
I would like to thank our next sponsor, Mr.
He was like, not. वो कौन है? Wednesday का सौतेला भाई. I don't think we saw them.
Ensuring safety and discipline throughout the event, our security partner, Black Cat Bouncers. Thank you so much for keeping everything smooth and secure.
16 was mine. Yeah. I think, I only told you guys. No, we are saying 16. Let's check both and see the 16. You give him the best. Session icon, we already have the last one. एक second, ये pending रख दो. बाकी का will sort out.
To sir,
No.
I would like to request everyone that can we have a huge round of applause for the venue partner UK27 The Fern. Without you, this amazing event would not have been possible. The space and the management was absolutely amazing. Thank you so much. Someone here has lost a bike key. Mr. and Miss North Karnataka 2026 Grand Finale. But it's absolutely a big night. So before I announce this, I want you all to give a huge round of applause because we are coming with something big tonight. No, this is not how we clap and this is not how the energy should sound. Yes, more louder, come on. Ladies and gentlemen, before I say anything, I need to feel more energy. If you're ready for something big, clap your hands. Are you ready for something big? Yes? If you believe the next superstars are sitting right here, make some noise.
The winner to win, sorry.
Is anyone here sitting
No.
who expects to be the next superstar?
This girl and this girl.
Yes or no?
Both of them deserve.
So make some noise, come on.
Anyway,
Because
around the
what's about to reveal tonight is not just a name, it's a grand launch. So before I announce this launch, I would request Mr. Rajshekhar Malannavar and Ms. Mahi Thakur.
Okay, then we'll keep the last one for the second runner. He's the youngest one. But guys,
announces the launch of its brand new branch in Kolba, Goa, a platform built not just for models but for the future icon. Are you all ready for the launch of Glamify Supermodel Goa, everyone? Make some noise! This is for those who are serious, passionate and hungry to build a strong, sustainable career in fashion and media industry. Because Glamify is not just about fashion shows, it's about complete professional ecosystem. From content creation, brand promotion, commercial advertisement to digital visibility. All powered by the creative force of RM Productions. Founder by visionary Mr. Rajshekhar Mallannavar, Glamify continues to expand with one clean mission, creating real opportunities for the real talent. And tonight, we proudly introduce the driving force behind Glamify Goa, Miss Mahi Thakur, Director of Glamify Supermodel Goa. Let's give it up for Miss Mahi Thakur.
Can we see them pehले से? Can we see them all pehले से? We have given a best figure. The red one. The red one.
On a count of 10, we'll be launching Glamify Supermodel Goa.
She good.
Come on, everyone.
She has such a good thing.
10,
That's the first thing you should have noticed.
10, 9, come on, everyone. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Here we present to you all Glamify Supermodel Goa. Come on, everyone, make some noise. Ready to lead, inspire, and shape this powerful new chapter. This is an exclusive platform for Mr., Miss, and Mrs. Goa. For those who believe in fashion with purpose, media with impact, and growth with direction. With the last stage is set, the spotlight is on. Welcome to Glamify Supermodels Goa, everyone. Thank you so much. So, are y'all excited for the results? I know everyone's very hungry. I can understand that feeling. But I think the energy for last few hours, maybe half an hour. Can I hear from everyone? Are you all ready for the grand finalists of Mr. and Miss North Karnataka 2026? So before we go ahead with the announcements of the finalists, I would like to call all the judges on the dais. I request all the judges to please come on the dais.
Okay, she's the walk.
Yeah,
She's
yeah.
the walk, yeah. Where is the walk? Okay, that's congeniality. We have given this girl.
Or 9.
Check 8 also. 7.
Very tough, so that's the reason the judges are so confused to finalize the winners. And today we just don't only have 2 winners, but also we have few subtitles as well.
The last girl.
So, are the judges ready with their results?
Congeniality, who's congeniality?
Yes? In the audience, who do you all think you see as the winner?
Older.
Anyone? Can I hear a name at least? Yes? Come on, everyone. Yes? Anyone from here? OMG, there are so many names coming up, and I know that the winner will be one, but tonight's performance proves that everyone is so talented. Okay, so I think the judges are all set with the results.
So cool, my God. Let's ask Raj. Yeah, God. Raj is asking. Raj is waiting for us to come on the stage.
So before we announce the winners, I think we all would love to see the judges do a ramp walk. Yes? Come on, yes? How many all want to see the judges do the ramp walk? Make some noise, I can't see you. Are you all excited to see our judges do the ramp walk? Okay, so are the judges ready for this? We have these beautiful faces over here, and I think everyone would love to see you all. Yes? Can we have the music on, please? Okay, let's give it up for all the judges, everyone. Come on. Come on, everyone. Let's give it up for the judges. incomplete without the work of the one and only Mr. Raj Shekhar Malanawar. Come on, everyone. We would love to see him work. Yes, come on. Come on, make some noise for Mr. Raj. Okay, so are you all ready to witness the winners of Mr. and Miss North Karnataka 2026? Okay, so we have few subtitles. Best Photogenic Mr. North Karnataka 2026 goes to Mr. Vivek. So can we have Mr. Vivek on the stage, please? Mr. Best Photogenic. Whenever I'm announcing the winners, I want you all to please give a huge round of applause for all the winners. Mr. Best Photogenic goes to Mr. Vivek. Icon Mr. North Karnataka 2026 goes to Mr. Ayush. So let's give it up for Mr. Ayush, Best Fashion Icon. Best Congeniality Mr. North Karnataka 2026 goes to Mr. Arman. Mr. North Karnataka 2026 goes to Mr. Fardeen. North Karnataka 2026 goes to Mr. Maruti. Best Personality Mr. North Karnataka 2026 goes to Mr. Imad. Okay, so the second runner-up of Mr. North Karnataka 2026. Any guesses for second runner-up? No guesses? Okay, I think everyone has the guess for winner. And the second runner-up goes to Mr. Amol. Come on everyone, let's give it up for Mr. Amol.
the first runner-up. Any guesses for the first runner-up? Yes, any guesses from here? And the first runner-up of Mr. North Karnataka 2026 goes to Mr. Aftab. Okay. So the time we all have been waiting for. Winner of Mr. North Karnataka 2026. Any guesses? Yes, can I hear? And the winner of Mr. North Karnataka 2026 goes to Mr. Nandan Bhaskar. Yes, come on everyone, make some noise and give a huge round of applause for winner of Mr. North Karnataka 2026, Nandan Bhaskar.
Winners are getting a free stay at Whistling Wood Resorts, Dandeli. I would like to call on the stage Mrs. Sanyukta Zadav to please give them the voucher of Whistling Wood Resorts, Dandeli.
I congratulate all the winners and the participants, grand finalists of Mr. North Karnataka 2026. Moving ahead. Best Smile Miss North Karnataka 2026 goes to Miss Khushi. Let's Miss North Karnataka 2026 goes to Miss Santosh. Santosh. Figure Miss North Karnataka 2026 goes to Miss Uma. Let's give it up for Miss Uma, everyone. Best figure Miss North. Karnataka 2026 goes to Miss Tanmay. Best Congeniality Miss North Karnataka 2026 goes to Miss Sanchita. Best Catwalk Miss North Karnataka 2026 goes to Miss Diksha. So the time to announce the second runner-up of Miss North Karnataka 2026 goes to Miss Samruddhi. Any guesses for the first runner-up? Miss North Karnataka 2026 first runner-up. Any guesses from the audience? And the first runner-up of Miss North Karnataka 2026 goes to Miss Archana. Come on everyone, make some noise for this first runner-up, Miss Archana. Time to announce the winner. So before that, any guesses for the winners? Any guesses? Can I hear at least a name? One name. And the winner of Miss North Karnataka 2026 goes to Miss Ananya. Applause for the winner of Miss North Karnataka 2026, Ananya. here and gracing this event with your presence. We are delighted to see this crowd cheering and supporting all the models over here. एक बार जोरदार तालियां आप लोगों के लिए हो जाए for coming here, sparing your precious time. Thank you so much to round of applause to all the finalists. You didn't win a trophy, that's fine, but your confidence makes you. Can we see a final walk with the winners and the runner-ups? And let's give it up for Mr. Rajshekhar Madannavar and the winners of Mr. and Miss North Karnataka 2026.
जिस्मों का है ये जलवा, जिस्मों का है ये जलवा, शोहरत भी नहीं ये जलवा, मकसद भी नहीं ये जलवा। Tell it like it is. I please you. दिल कश लगे ये जलवा, मैं कश लगे ये जलवा, नशा ही नशा ये जलवा, मजा ही मजा। Go it up.